Okay, guys, so welcome to Bunny's Big Girl Room. If you guys don't know, I've been working on her room for quite some time, just waiting on little things to come in. But here is a overview of what it's looking like these days. So first thing I added new was her little fairy lights, because she's always talking about it's so dark in my room with just her night light. So I added that. And then these are just some of the pictures that I already had up on her room. But for those who haven't seen that video, I just wanted to, go ahead and show you some of the photos that she have up on her wall. And the number 2, yes, my girl is 2, almost 3. We're gonna have to switch that out. So I just decided that we're just gonna switch out that number every time she has a birthday. So yeah. Yes, sweet dreams, little one, because that's my favorite time of the day. It's bedtime for the girls, and that's her baby picture from when she was a little baby. And this is her big girl bed. It was a crib. It converts to a little toddler bed, and then also I could take off the rail on the other side and the bottom part if I wanted to be like a little small twin size like bed. Here's her little comfy rug that I absolutely love sitting on, reading stories to her. Those are her little books and her little book area. And she actually picks out books, and she'll sit there in her little chair and she'll read. So I thought that this was a cute little addition. There's her little mirror. Hey, y'all. And this is a new addition, which is this new dresser that I got for her off of Amazon. Really simple because we will be moving soon, and I didn't want to do the most, so it just puts like her little, you guys see in a minute what I have in there. She loves that little light. I got that from Five and Below. So I just have like her undies and a few of her clothes and some of these drawers. You guys know, the girls have so many clothes that I have to keep a lot of them in my beauty room because it's just too much for the space that I'm working with. I don't like to have clutter. So yeah, this is her closet. As you guys can see, I've organized it pretty well. Yeah, so starting at the top, those are just some extra blankets from when she takes nap time. In here is just winter stuff. You guys know, like accessories. I'm an accessory type of girl, so my girls are definitely going to be accessory girls as well. I added her little pictures in there. Those are important papers and stuff that she's had since she was a newborn baby. These are her clothes. They're all by season, of course, and by size. I only go up to 3T in here. Like I said, the rest of them are downstairs. That's a little bag that I'm going to be using for the summertime when she goes to daycare. Those are just some extra bows, pajamas, sweaters, and jackets, and some dress-up clothes that are like, for the future are on that side. This is my favorite part of her closet, guys. She has a million pairs of shoes. There's not even all of them, but like I said, I didn't even have the space, so I just keep them downstairs. But those are her shoes. These are her purses. Her glasses, and yeah, she would definitely be rocking a lot of her accessories this summer when I have more time in the mornings to actually get her dressed and take her little pictures and everything. In here, I just have some pull-ups for nighttime, her lotion, her Aquaphor, and some like antibacterial wipes and her regular wipes. And then there's her little hamper, and then I just keep her little suitcase on that side. And so yeah, that is a tour of what her closet is looking like right now. Eventually I will coordinate her clothes, but I just didn't have the time. And then I just wanted to show you guys an overview again of what it's looking like now. She absolutely loves it. And I'm just so happy that I can make her smile.